Trainers Methodology 1 delivered competency-based training, trainee enters program. Trainings regulation, housekeeping in situ. Enters program orientation, the trainee oriented the class. Rule of trainer or trainee to actively participate in their own learning by practicing skill, also to attain to one pass the national assessment. Administer RPL is a process whereby people prior learning can be formally recognized in terms of registered qualification unit standard. Organized learning strategy is a deliberate structured approach an individual or organization used to acquire, retain, and apply new knowledge effectively. Learning activities, we have review learning package, view multimedia material, use manual, observe demonstration, practice skill and workshop, receive assistance and advice. We have instructor, observe performance, whether in person or online, involve a structured process of evaluating and providing feedback. And then the second, student attempt task by completing assignment and other academic. We have Number 3, instructor rates performance, a multifaceted topic that include the evaluation of their teaching effectiveness and their salary based on rank or qualification. We have number 4, student rules on performance, involves student using a specific criteria to evaluate. We have satisfactory perform complete competency, and then we have enough competency been achievement.